Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to turn off your Prius second generation. If you guys are having problem to turn off your car by pressing the power button. As you can see, the engine's on right now. So I'm going to press the power for a long time, more than 3 or 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. So about 3 or 4 seconds it turns off. And you see the green power light on. And now it shows you the consumption and everything. You're gonna press 1, 2, 3. And then now your car is completely off. Okay? So this problem occur when there's a problem with your dashboard light. It's not coming on. So let's go ahead and power on right now to see if the dashboard light come on now, because earlier the light was completely off. So now the light's coming on now. So now I'm going to turn it off now, so the car should turn off right away. So when you have a problem with your dashboard, sometimes it comes on, sometimes it goes off. That will be another repair issue that I'm going to do later on. So now the car is completely shut off now. Now you can exit out the car now. Alright? So this is just a quick video on how to shut down your car. Or else if you don't press and hold down the power button for a while, more than 3 seconds, and then hit it 1, 2, 3, then your car will constantly stay on, will not allow you to shut it down or shut it off. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.